The next step is to show you how to remove the clamp holder. First, there is inside a small foam part which protects the nut. You remove the foam part. With a 13 millimeter wrench, you release the clamp holder. Release it completely. Now you remove the clamp holder. You take the nut inside, and there are two plates. We will show you after the different plates. You remove all the plates in order to clean that.
Alors, ce que je pensais.
Pardon, j'ai merdé. Let us show you the different part constitutive of the clamp holder. The plate, the inside part, the second plate, here, the washer. You see that there is a position for the washer, and finally the nut. All these parts are assembled together inside the turntable, like you can see on the picture. The next step will be, before reassembling the part, to clean all these elements and to clean the inside element in order to be certain that everything is perfectly clean. Look at the black plate. There is a round shape and a angle shape. The round shape must always be on the top. We will reinstall now the two black washers. One is under the bridling part, the second one is over. After you take the round part, you place it under. And to finish, you put the new clamp holder, if you have to substitute the clamp holder, on all the elements. Take help with your finger to guide the washer and to be certain that all the elements are together with the axe. Now we will attach the nut with the clamp holder. With a 13 millimeter wrench, we will tighten all the assembly. You must check that all the elements are engaged one in each other. And when you are close to the final adjustment, you finish with the wrench. You probably remember the adjustment of the clamp holder. When it is too tight, you release the nut until you have a correct adjustment. Like that. You must always be certain that the torque is enough and that the clamp holder moves completely free. The last operation consists of inserting a new foam part to protect the nut. This is finished.